Mapenduzi has been posting videos of himself dancing Lingala on social media, and so far he has shared 3 electrifying clips. In each video, he sways his hips with incredible fluidity, rotates his waist in rapid, almost hypnotic motions, and moves his feet with quick, precise steps that mirror the rolling guitar riffs and pounding drum beats of Congolese soukous music. His shoulders and chest pulls to the rhythm, while his facial expressions, confident smiles and playful glances bring a sense of joy and charisma to every frame. The videos have drawn thousands of likes, shares and comments, with fans praising his skill and energy, and some even trying to imitate this style. The dance is fast, lively and deeply expressive, showcasing Mapenduzi's connection to the music and his ability to command attention without saying a word. However, these posts are unfolding amidst a wave of controversy. Mapenduzi recently endorsed in the upcoming elections, choosing Anita Mong over Norbert Mao, a decision that has angered many in the Acholi community. Norbert has long been seen as a key figure representing Acholi interests, and Mapenduzi's public support for Anita Mong is being viewed as a betrayal by some community members, in reality majority. Social media platforms and local discussions have been flooded with criticism, debate and even personal attacks. The contrast between his light-hearted Lingala dance videos and serious political backlash has sparked discussions about celebrity influence, responsibility, and cultural identity. For many, his dancing seems at odds with the anger that now surrounds his political choices, creating a strange juxtaposition that has made him a focal point for both admiration and hate. People are now wondering what Mapenduzi's next move will be. Will he continue to post his Lingala dances as though nothing has happened, or will he address the growing discontent? From his community, some fans hope the dance videos are a form of personal expression separate from politics, while critics feel he should clarify his stance and repair trust. The tension between entertainment and responsibility raises questions about how public figures navigate cultural expectations and personal freedoms. Observers speculate whether the videos are an attempt to divert attention, or genuine love for dance, or a calculated strategy to remain relevant amid political scrutiny. Regardless, Mapenduzi has captured national attention, and its next steps will likely determine whether he becomes a celebrated cultural figure or a controversial personality in Acholi society.